Let me see. Yeah. All right. So I want to start this video by addressing these guys, zealots. Yeah. Good. So there's a problem with your speakers. A lot of people has complained about your speakers, Bluetooth speakers. Why they enjoy it? Because it gives these quality sounds. So folks enjoy it, so they buy it. Okay. But the problem is it often develop fault. If you check the video that I posted, how I fix Zealot, that the X97 or thereabouts, we are going to see so many complaints of people, complaining about their Zealot Bluetooth speaker, how it got spoiled. And most of the time, it is less than a month. The person bought speaker, he didn't use up to it, we can develop faults. And the seller will not bear responsibility because the seller usually say that sellers of this speaker usually say that it does not come with warranty. So my message to you, Zealots, to Zealot, is to make sure that your gadgets, your devices have warranty, so that if anything comes up, people can easily claim the warranty. And by doing that, it's going to add to your reputation. Even though your speaker often develop faults. Right in front of me, there's one, though it has been fixed. And here is another one. Yeah, that is another Zealot, aside from the one that are fixed. And there are many others that you could not send their speaker down because the distance is far. So to them, it does not make sense. Yeah, because maybe like sending speaker is going to cost about, let's say, 30 or 50,000 naira. And doing the calculation does not make sense. So such a person that has, such a speaker will not be able to have it fixed. And such a speaker will just go to waste. And for them to have contacted me, that means they've contacted people over there, but they could not fix it because it's not everyone that could fix it. The one that I fixed last time, the person took it to several places, but they could not fix it. But I fixed it. All right, why we have others that they have interest in fixing their speaker, but the cost of transport is, it's not a child play. It is high, especially considering the kind of, the economic situation of this country. So Zealot, please make sure that your gadgets, your devices have warranty. So if you develop faults, the buyers of your speaker can easily claim the warranty. Then you can send them another one. Or you request for the speaker to be sent, then you send them another one. Right? So if I were asked that I should recommend a speaker, I won't recommend your speaker because a lot of people have complained about Zealot speaker. Not, I've seen it myself. And you see, this is two in front of me. And there's another one there, that is small one. This one, right there. This is another Zealot speaker. So this one is, it's less. But this is another Zealot that develop faults. Yeah. Why your product always develop faults? Please, increase the build quality of your device. I personally made use of Anchor Sanko Boost. Oh boy. This is it right here. Yeah, Anchor. I never had a problem with it. And I've been using this for over 3 years. Yes, over 3 years. No problem at all. And I've, bought a lot for people. And none one of them, not a single one, complained. So this is Anchor. No fault. Okay? No single fault. And but your speaker develop quite a lot of faults, right? Please, increase the build quality of your speaker. Yeah, complete that. One will say that a plug is, it was playing song and the speaker was low, so you plug in charger. And next thing that it was not talking again. Why can't you plug in charger while using your Bluetooth speaker? It should be able to do that, right? Yeah, that is number one. Number two, a person said that he made use of the USB port in order to charge the device, and next thing you notice, the speaker it stopped working. Why? So that shouldn't be. So please, add to the build quality of your speaker so that those that saved up their money not to buy the speaker will be able to enjoy it. And this speaker, they are not cheap. They're expensive. No, especially this kind of speaker. This is A67, right? A67. Maybe it's around, I don't know, 70, 80,000 naira, 90,000 naira. It depends on the vendor. I think some sell this as high as 100, 120,000. Yeah. So it's not a child play. Okay. So please, that is my message for you, Zealots. Please add to the build quality and especially make sure that your gadgets are warranty. Okay. So that if a person bought your device and it developed fault, such a person can easily file a complaint and you quickly address the problem. So that way is going to add to your reputation, right? And people will love to buy your gadget because if there's any problem, they are sure that they are going to get another one, or the problem will be fixed so that their money will not go to waste. Please see to that. I trust you will do. Yeah. So this is not me, trying to maybe badmouth, yes, should I use that word, your product, but it's what I personally have witnessed and I've fixed. If you look at my chart and know this, under that video, there are companies that are more than that because there are those that have not commented on the YouTube, but they will message me personally because my contact is on YouTube. So they can easily send a private message to me. So a lot is all about zealot, 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 zealot. Please see to it. I trust you will. All right.